We have a case po kasi na one of our employee has already passed her 6th month. Unfortunately, PA appraisal has came back late and she was not recommended for regularization. Hence, the passing of the 6th month thought we know this is on our part with lack of follow-up. Is there other ways on how we can settle the recommendation of the employee not being regularized? Thank you.
So this is about probationary employment and regularization of a probationary employee. Now, unfortunately, under our labor code, Article 296 of our labor code, it is provided that if an employee or a probationary employee is allowed to work beyond or after the probationary period, the employee is automatically regularized. So in your situation, yes, it is unfortunate that the appraisal came in late. And so, as you mentioned, the employee already passed his or her 6 months. And under the law, check again, Article 296, the maximum period for probationary employment is only 6 months. So if it's not validly extended, no, so you are bound by that 6-month rule. Now you are asking for some advice or for some solution regarding this, that an employee has been inadvertently regularized because of the late submission. There are several things that you can do after the fact. No, you cannot do anything anymore as regards the regularization, but you can still do something, at least in regards to this. Number one is check your system. There is some problem regarding your appraisal or your evaluation system. Why was the appraisal or the evaluation late? So you have to check that. You have to fine-tune your system so that this will not happen again in the future. One best practice that a lot of companies do is that the last appraisal will be on the 5th month instead on the 6th month. So there will be enough grace period, enough buffer period for the submission of evaluation. So you do your appraisal or evaluation on the 5th month, not on the week before the end of the probationary period. Do it on the 5th month. So you have at least 4 weeks. Second thing that you can do is that probationary employment is not the end. No, even if the employee is already a regular employee, it does not mean you are no longer allowed to evaluate and appraise employees. No, it is best practice to have a performance management system in place as part of your company policies and practices, so that even if the employee is already a regular employee, the employee will still be subject to periodic evaluation. No, you can do that. So for all employees, whether they're probationary or regular, you can do a 6-month assessment regarding their performance, include in the assessment their attitude and behavior. So do it every 6 months, as if the regular employee is still a probationary employee. If you are doing this for your probationary employee, why not do it for even your regular employee? And then you can come up with evaluation to determine the performance, the attitude, and the behavior of the employee if they're meeting expectations. And then you can later on, based on the results of this continuing and periodic appraisals and evaluation, you can manage the employees better. Who knows, maybe this employee will improve. So that will be a happy ending in the end. No? If this employee who is not supposed to be regularized because of your frequent appraisals, your periodic appraisals, every 6 months you're doing it, who knows, this employee might turn out to be a contributor, one of your assets in your company, because of the systems that you have put in place in appraising and evaluating their performance, attitude, and behavior even though they are already regular employees.